Hello and welcome to the channel, and today I want to show you how to replace back lamps for the Ford KUGA 2020, 21 and so on. Let's see what we have over here. So once you open, it starts from the left side. So this is the back left, and from what I saw, there is this little plastic cover, so you take it out, and underneath there is this one screw, so take that bad boy out. So this is for the back left. Didn't took my electric machinery, but okay. So one screw over here, and after that I believe that's the only one. So there is a pin somewhere over here. I'm kind of 100% sure, but let's try. So yeah, so the newer cars kind of easier to remove. So this is the pin, and here you can see where it is. It's a little bit different than the Focus. If you ask me, it's a better one. So if you need just to remove the lamp, I would advise just turn this around and pull it out, but I'm taking it full out just in case. And I did already remove that plug, and I will show you how you remove it. So there is over here this plastic cover on each side, so like that, pull it out, easy peasy, nothing all the way too fancy. And the plug is full down there, so you take your hand and just dig in. Same goes for this side, so somewhere around over here, and you click it out and you will see. So this is the plug. This one goes on the up, not really sure why, but that side is down there and this one is fully up. So probably here, somewhere here, is the sensor control, that module or something like that, because I don't see any other reason why it would be up here, but it would be easier for that side as well. So the plug out here. Once again, we have this plastic cover. Don't want to lose that bad boy, need to pick it up. And after that, again with the screwdriver, turn it out. I mean, fairly easy, to be honest, because on the Focus, yeah, that especially on the station wagon, so a little bit jiggly work. Plastic tool somewhere around over here, and I'm lucky with this one, but it's a newer car, so that's probably the reason why it's that easy. And now I'm gonna take this gum out, so the water does not go in. So that's the other one. So these are the outside ones. Now for the inside ones, those on the bonnet, I did look and seems like it's 11. So I have these two over here. So, and I don't know, it was a long time since something was 11, but this one is so yeah, kind of interesting to me, but it's KUGA, so I know, first time working on newer KUGA. So that's about that for this side. Plastic tool might need, and I believe, as I said, it's my first time on KUGA, so let's try somewhere, probably somewhere over here, not really sure exactly where, but so there is some, yeah, so again, pin is over here, it goes inside there, and these are the two holes for that. Now again, if you need just to remove this, turn around, plug out, but I would try to unplug it, so somewhere inside, yeah, not really that hard accessible. So that's the outside one. Take my plastic bad boy out, so we have it. So that's the right outside one, and now again I'm gonna need 11 and my plastic tool. So here I'm gonna unscrew those, and it's not that hard. I did think it's gonna be harder, so but as I can see now, let's try that wiggly. I love the wiggly. It's always so. This one might be a little harder with one hand. So I did use the plastic tool and clicked over here a little bit, and it did go easier out. So again, here is that pin, and that's some sort of a holder over here, not really. So after that, I'm gonna put my hand in and try to unplug it. So that's the one. Always a nice thing when you don't break anything, especially on these cars that are, everything is so expensive. So yeah, that's the outside one, that's the right one, left one, and the right one. So basically easy job. I didn't think it's gonna be this easy, but yeah, that's about that. So I hope this will help you for whatever reasons you have, why you have to do it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, and see you next one. So till next one, see ya.